Okay, welcome to ProFrame 2015 training videos. In this video, we're going to continue with inventory file maintenance, part 2, and we're going to take a look at setting up molding products, and we're going to talk a little bit about a kit. So let's get started. I'm going to go into Inventory Home. I'm going to drop down here and just pick out a molding product. For example, here, let's take a look at a molding product. Now obviously I've got my description and I've selected molding as the unit or class, and then because it's molding, it allows me to select the United Inches. Okay, and this lookup table is customizable, so you can turn on and off the dimensions here or widths that you really don't need, and so you can narrow this down and just use the basic widths that you carry. Now I've set it as type molding because it is molding, and then I'm just selecting a color. The rest of this is taxable, non-stock, and location is all basically the same as a standard unit that we've already covered. But because this is molding, it actually gives me the ability to select a chop metrics type. If I would rather use that type of table rather than United Inches, I can set up a chop metrics type. So I could select this if I wanted to, and if I did, it would cancel out the United Inches feature. Okay? Now again, I'm setting up the vendor, I'm setting up the catalog, assigning this product to that. I still have a whip, which we've looked at before, and we'll look at it again. I'm not sure if I've got anything open on this one, which it don't. But it's just like what we had already looked at in a previous video. Now, because this is molding, it has opened up these pricing fields for me. The chop, the length, the chop and join, or chop and assembly, ever how you want to say it. And then we have a split box price, and then we have a box price. We're selling it in footage. Okay? The average foot or feet per box is 180. Okay? Now, that's pretty much the difference between a standard product and a molding product. It just allows me to set these up. During order entry, as you're basically, once you select this item, you're selecting how you're going to sell it. Whether you're going to chop it, you're selling it in length, or a split box. And that determines where this price comes from. And then it goes through order entry. Okay? The history is the same. Adjustment is this particular product is we buy it in the box, and it's normally 250 feet to a box, but it's priced out as footage. And this reorder point is 50 feet. Okay, and this on hand is 470 feet. Okay. Miscellaneous opens these up and allows me to set the width, height, and rabbit for basically, really this is for website purposes. And then I have a true width that's for website purposes as well. I have alternate vendor, detailed sales, and so forth. So that's pretty much covers a molding product. Okay. Now I'm going to take a look at another type of product that we can set up in this system, and it's called a kit. And normally that's like a ready-made kit. What this product does, because we're setting it up as a miscellaneous, and I've told it here that it's a custom kit, it opens this tab for me, okay, and allows me to build an assembly or a bill of material, if you will. So basically it allows me to add all the items that I need to build this product. And then you can see how it's taking the cost, and then it's taking the total sales of 5210, and that's why the 5210 is set up here. So now this is the product that I actually sell the customer. Okay. And as it goes through order entry, the program knows that it needs to produce the bill of material for this product in the work order itself. So you'll see all these line items on the work order. And then you're more or less assembling the product. So for example, you could go in order entry and maybe create 5 of these. Okay? And tell the program that it's an in-house order, and then essentially what it's doing is just allowing you to create ready-made frames that you would sell as individual, as a separate product, really. Okay? All right. That pretty much covers this inventory section 1 or part 2. So thanks for watching.